and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This is a method I found. I cannot guarantee that this works for you guys, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. All right, so here's Top War hack for iPhone and Android so you can get rich. So as you can see, I'm not rich, but in the mod menu, I can turn on unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this on right now just to show you guys that it actually works. So let's see if it goes up. You can see right now I've just got 1,785. So I just expect to have a little more in my account soon. So let's see what happens, and hopefully we do see an increase. So yeah, I don't see one right now, but it might. Ah, there it is. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Top War hack for iPhone and Android. It's super awesome. So if you guys are daily playing this game, you need to know about this hack. I know some of you want to be legit players, but for those of you who are on the wild side, I can present a website to you. And that website is going to be tweakmod.com. So when you get over here, what I want you to do is just type in top, and then obviously we're going to get Top War. So press install, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So you just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So let's just give it a second for this to load, and we're going to be all good to go, guys. So as you can see, it's loading right here. So once it loads, we just need to verify our device. So let's just give it a second. As you can see, guys, all right, so it's loading up right now. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. So just give it a second. So yeah, it's coming up, and it's gonna say missing files, and I just need to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, we got tons of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11, so I could do that. Then I could do Scanner, you gotta search something up. I could do Underdog, got down and run for 30 seconds. So just do a couple of them. Then you'll have Top War hack for your device. Fully working, guys. So enjoy the content. I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out, guys. This is really cool.